Looking for power in the palm of your hand? Whether you're clearing debris, drying surfaces, or just love high-performance gear, you need the right tool. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best handheld turbojet fans on the market right now. Watch the entire list and you'll be able to decide which one suits you best. Let's dive in. Item number 5. Introducing the KiCA Jet Fan Max, a powerhouse turbo blower with a 785 watts high-speed brushless motor, delivering wind speeds up to 92 meters per second. Whether you're blowing, vacuuming, inflating, or cooling, it's built for performance. Powered by a massive 6x 4000 mAh battery, enjoy up to 5.5 hours of runtime with fast USB-C charging. Its compact, cordless design weighs just 1.3 kilograms, ideal for on-the-go use. Crafted from aerospace-grade aluminum alloy, it's both sleek and rugged. Infinite speed control and turbo mode put full control in your hands, anytime, anywhere. Item number 4. Introducing the TF64 High-Speed Turbine Water Blower, a compact yet powerful tool designed for high-pressure air applications. Equipped with a 4000 mAh 14.8V battery, it delivers consistent power with up to 4 adjustable speed settings. The brushless motor ensures efficiency and durability, while the lightweight design at just 820 grams makes it ideal for home, DIY, or mobile use. With a quick 3-hour charge time and a sleek body measuring 270 by 110 by 72 millimeters, the TF64 offers performance, portability, and precision, all in one powerful package. Item number 3. Meet the ultra-lightweight turbo blower built for power and performance. Weighing just 400 grams, this carbon fiber blower packs a 650-watt brushless motor delivering wind speeds up to 240 kilometers per hour and 1,400 grams of thrust. The sleek, supercar-inspired design ensures smooth airflow, safety, and grip. Backed by a 59,200 milliwatt-hour high-capacity battery with 20-watt ultra-fast charging, it's ready in just 2 hours. With dual temperature, current, and short-circuit protection, it's perfect for everything from dust removal to snow clearing, inflating, and car detailing, all in one compact powerhouse. Item number 2. Introducing the Fenic Turbo Blower. Powered by a high-speed 64mm brushless motor with 11 blades, delivering a powerful 1,400-gram thrust for effective dust and debris removal. Equipped with an 8,000 mAh battery and dual charging modes, Type-C and DC fast charging, this blower fully charges in just 1 hour, offering about 15 minutes of max speed use. Compact and versatile, it's perfect for snow clearing, hair cushion inflation, car and keyboard cleaning, and more. With stepless speed adjustment and intelligent temperature control, it ensures safe, efficient, and precise operation every time. Item number 1. Introducing the Is Friday Mini Turbo Blower, a powerful, portable cleaning tool featuring a 40mm high-speed, brushless motor spinning up to 400,000 RPM. Delivering wind speeds of 60 meters per second and 500 grams of thrust, it effortlessly removes dust, debris, and snow. Equipped with 5 4000 mAh polymer lithium batteries and supporting 30 watts PD fast Type-C charging, it offers long-lasting performance and quick recharge. Ideal for home, car, and office use, this versatile blower is perfect for everything from keyboard cleaning to car crevice dust removal. Which of these handheld turbojet fan is your favorite? Don't forget to comment below and let us know. If you want to buy one, check the links in the description. Purchasing through them helps support our channel. And hey, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.